I got this brand new PS4 a gift to myself. You know how many years I've been dreaming of this kind of console, but now this is it. Dream come true. See, thanks for the noon, for their good offer, and then especially to Tabi here in Saudi Arabia. Because of you, my dream come true. See, because I paid this by installment. I split on 4 payments, so it's not heavy, it's not hard to pay. So that's why I grabbed this opportunity to take this console to buy by my own pocket. This is by the fruit of my labor, you know. PS4 Sony. This is slim because I'm not so sensitive about that. PS4 slim is, I think for me it's enough. For me it's great, you know. So this is it. Just join me with my unboxing, and then after I will try it. I will show it to you how PS4 Slim brings joy and good performance to me and to my fans that who's watching my vlog. Okay, let's get it on. Let's tune in. Wow, see, my dream come true. PS4 Slim. I think for me this is enough, you know. No need Pro. I know the others, they will recommend Pro because that's more higher. That's 1 terabyte. Just a little bit difference about the specs. This is just only 500 GB, and I think this is more reliable, good value, and it will bring joy and good experience also. Okay, this is it. Thank you, Noon, for this very fast delivery. I ordered this just only 30 minutes ago, and then they arrived here immediately for just only 30 minutes. Because of this good opportunity, good offer, this Noon Supermall, they will not charge you more than, I think there's no any delivery fee. It's free delivery, but it will arrive for just only 30 minutes. Very fast. No need to wait for as long as 1 week or 3 days. Okay. This is my station 4. See? Come on. Let's unboxing now. excited. Oh, this is it. The HDMI. Okay. And then, ta-da! 2K25 series. This is, that's why I choose this, because it's more cheaper than the 2K26. You know how much the 2K26 here in Saudi Arabia? It's just 110 riyals. So this one is just only 30 riyals. So it's enough, better experience. There's just only 1 year gap. Still the same. I can play Jordan too. My favorite player in 2K, Jordan. And Simkins. Okay, it's my HDMI. And now this one we will unboxing. Okay, this is it. The box now is PS4. Okay, just tune in. My first PS4 I bought that for myself. One point. Slice the tape here. Panjang. I'm so excited, guys. Okay. Oh, mushkila. Why I bought this HDMI? There is HDMI here already. Mushkila. $100. $220 cable. And this is it, man. What the? Okay. See? What the? Okay. Oh, too much here. Okay. 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 Okay, man. PS4 Slim. Okay, I will try now. Miss Jillian. Bye guys. set up all already. The internet was later on. Now this is the CD that I bought in June. So we will try this now. This is it. GK25. Okay. See? Quality. And patient. I think it will download. Okay? Wait for 90 minutes.